I just want to warn you, ma'am. Next time around, please.
Kasi present kayo nung last hearing eh. At nalaman nyo na nire-require namin ito. And yet, in this hearing, wherein you should have complied, you state that you need a notice from this committee. Niloloko nyo na po yata kami eh. Madam?
No, sir.
May I also know, Mr. Chair, if Land Bank has given the names of those who approved the loan to spouses Mangaron as required in the last hearing?
Is Land Bank present? Please.
Sir, we would respectfully comply, pero as of the moment, we are just waiting for the formal notice coming from the committee for us to secure yung legal clearances and approval from our appropriate legal approving committee namin, sir.
Andale. Ma'am, are you the one present during the last hearing?
Yes, sir.
I supposedly you have stated that requirements to this committee because it is a document being requested by the committee during the regular hearing. And if that is the case, you should have stated it to this committee. Ito ngayon, second hearing na natin, dapat nasapit na yan. Ito pala ngayon, kailangan nyo pa ng notice from this committee. Parang, ang labas parang, daily delay yung ano nyo, yung process dito. I just want to warn you, ma'am. Next time around, please. COMSEC is directed to send a notice in regards to the documents being required by this committee for the Land Bank to submit. Please submit it before the next hearing.
Noted, sir. Thank you po.
Mr. Chair, may I ask the Land Bank, was it not that when you were directed in the last hearing, that served as a notice for you to comply?
Sir.
Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir. Pero,
bakit hindi po kayong mapag-comply? Na inaantay nyo pa yung notice from this committee.
In relation to that, Mr. Chair, in relation to...
Kasi present kayo nung last hearing eh. At nalaman nyo na nire-require namin ito. And yet, in this hearing, wherein you should have complied, you state that you need a notice from this committee. Niloloko nyo na po yata kami eh. Madam?
No, sir. We would respectfully comply, sir. Only that we have also our internal procedures in securing or in having that approved yung mga nire-require po ninyo. So we would submit to your officer, to this committee. We would only request for some time and so that we can secure po yung approval.
Anyway, the chair has ruled that that the Land Bank will be given a notice.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Chairman Ako po, in relation to that, Mr. Chair, I just thought, very much.
Yes, please proceed.
Thank you. Just very brief. I'd like to caution all our guests here that when the committee is directed, all of you to submit a certain documents, you do so because we have a subpoena power, and we don't want to use that because that would appear as if you're withholding documents from the committee. So, please Land Bank, kasi we have a way to secure those documents, and we have a subpoena power. And so we don't want to use that because, again, it would appear as if you are evading or avoiding to provide those documents. So a notice would be enough for you to comply. Gusto ko lang po as a warning to all our guests here to please comply with whatever the committee is requesting you to submit.
Thank you, Congressman Adjong. And let me remind Representative from Land Bank, diretso na po tayo. Ang gusto niyo ipalabas dito, invoking the bank silo. Gusto niyo pag-usapan natin yung mamaya? Are you invoking it?
No, sir.
Oh, yeah. At least malinaw. Chairman Akop?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Also, in the last hearing, COA was also asked to present to this committee documents pertaining to the notices of this allowance. Has COA complied with this?
COA?
Hello po. Good morning po. Yes po. Through a subpoena po, which was received by the commission on March 13 and was also complied the same day po. Through via courier po through LBC.
Thank you. The Vice Mayor was also required in the last hearing to produce the minutes of the meeting as to the resolutions. Resolution number 20-019 dated February 20 and resolution number 20-019 dated March 10. May I know if the Vice Mayor has complied with this requirement?
Vice Mayor?
Absent po si Vice Mayor Bravo, yung acting.
Ayun pala. Nag-submit na.
Anyway, why can anybody from the council explain why he's not present in today's hearing? Kararating, you're just late. Please take a seat. Manakop, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mayor Ponsolan was also requested in the last hearing to submit documents pertaining to his basis regarding the closure order against NGCP. Was this also complied by the Honorable Mayor?
Mayor?
Your Honor, wala pa po. Hindi ko po matandaan kung may directives po. Pero dun sa closure order, may kopya po ako tsaka yung lifting. May dala po ako.
Yung closure order at saka lifting,
Opo.
meron ka?
Meron po.
Yung order,
Yun po yung sulat ko po saka NGCP.
ayun lang yung available sa'yo.
Opo.
Chairman Akop? Will it
May I
suffice?
request the Mayor to submit so that he can comply with the requirement?
Opo.
Kasi requirement po yan nung last hearing, sinabi po
Opo,
ninyo.
Your Honor, may dala po akong hard copy.
Thank you. And I think the Honorable Dagook, who is not present today, asked the Municipal Planning Office to submit a process flow prior to construction. This was requested by the Honorable Dagook in the last hearing. May I know if this has been complied with, Mr. Chair?
Nagbalik na po ako sa pagka-councilor po. Alam ko po wala po si MPDO.
Mayor, ba't wala yung PDO mo dito? May documents na nire-require yung committee na he has not yet submitted.
Alam ko po, Your Honor, nabatalan po siya ng invitation. Hindi ko po siya nakausap before yung hearing.
Or anybody from the members of the committee to issue a cause order for the municipal development? Municipal Planning Office. The person of... Mayor, sino bang pangalan ng ano mo? Certain Kimberly Cunanan? Tama po.
Tama po.
May excuse letter pala siya dito eh. Ayaw ko lang nakita. Kaya binigay ni Comsec. But of course, though this is a medical excuse, but still he has to submit She has to submit the documents being requested by this committee. And now, Mayor, the committee is directing you, the chair is directing you to submit such
Pagsasabihan ko po
document.
na mag-submit.
And the economist mo, because you are now the municipal,
Opo, kukunin ko po and then next hearing.
Okay, please.
Or papa-email ko po.
before the next hearing.
Yes, sir.
Please submit it.
Salamat po.
Thank you. And please inform Kimberly Kunana that she should be present the next hearing. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, may I
Yes,
be
Mr. Chair,
educated and I'm sorry.
hindi pa po ako tapos.
Is it related to...
In relation to what you're saying with Kimberly Cunanan. Hearing.
yung ano mo, Mike?
I was about to ask this person as well, Kimberly P. Cunanan, and I think she issued the same kind of letter excusing herself on the last hearing. And again, she issued a letter like this. May I ask the good mayor if this officer of the MPDC is daily po ba ay she's attending sa ano po sa munisipyo? Araw-araw po ba siya pumapasok, Mayor?
Opo. Pero liban lang po pag naglilib. Wow, pero official naman.
So, Mr. Chair, I'm just wondering if Kimberly Cunanan is attending her daily duty in the municipality of San Simon. There is no reason for her not to attend this important hearing pertaining to this issue. And that's the reason why, Mr. Chairman, I think, I believe this is the second time that she did not attend our hearing.
So, Your Honor, nung nakaraan po, nandito siya.
She was here?
Yes, opo.
Huh?
Nandito
We're
po
looking
siya.
for the MPDC. I still remember that asking somebody from MPDC.
Opo, nandito po siya.
She did not reply?
Hindi, nung last hearing po, kasama namin siya.
Pero hindi pa na-complete.
Because I remember asking somebody from MPDC. I never heard. Or maybe...
nandito po siya, even dun sa...
Oh, okay. In that case, Mr. Chairman, I withdraw my ano. I was supposed to move something, but I will not anymore. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Dan. Chairman Ako, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know if ASEC Benitez of the ILG is present?
Your Honor, ASEC Benitez has equally important engagement. He is currently in the Senate right now. Nag-overlap po yung hearings, Your Honor.
Yes, Madam. Notwithstanding the equally important event of ASEC Benitez, is it not incumbent upon him to submit the requirements required by this committee before he would attend the other commitment?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I will coordinate with
May I know if ASEC Benitez would have submitted an opinion on the requirement of clearances relative to the issue of closure of NGCP's project?
Your Honor, I was not informed, Your Honor, but we will coordinate with the DILG legal central, the legal department, because we were directed to attend. We are the regional office, Your Honor, but we will coordinate with their office, Your Honor.
COMSEC is directed to send again an invitation to Mr. Benitez and to reiterate the documents being requested to submit to the committee before the next hearing.
Noted, Mr. Chair.
May I know also, lastly, Mr. Chair, if OIC Mayor Viray is present this morning? You're present. May I know your commitment in the last hearing?
Good morning po, Your Honor.
Did you not commit anything in the last hearing?
Yun pong based po sa pinagkaiba po ng cease and desist po.
Yes, you were required by this committee to submit your rules on closure of establishments Have you complied with this?
Yes po. Meron po.
Meron po bang nasubmit na rito? Comsec? May I know if... thank you.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Alam niyo po kung bakit ginagawa ko ito dahil I noticed being the chair of the Committee on Transportation na may mga nire-require ng committee pero wala namang hindi nakukomply lahat eh. Para bang binabaliwala ninyo yung mga requirements ng committee. That is why ang ginagawa ko na ngayon, nire-require ko yung aking staff i-review yung minutes of the last hearing para may lista yung mga requirement ng committee hearing na yun. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, hindi nagko-comply talaga eh.
Mayor, ano yun? Electronic mail?
Meron po akong dala. Yeah.
Ay, dala ka rin. Oh, please.
Thank you po.
Submit na lang sa Comsec.
Thank you po.
In other words, I say Mayor, hindi nyo sinubmit. Nasa inyo pa lang.
Sorry po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. That would be all.
Thank you. Thank you, Chairman Akop.